This is Nora here, and today I'm gonna film some air conditioners. So I'm using carrier Geminis and a train unit. This one's not running right now. The train, is it running? No, it's not running. I don't know if this one's running. It might be brand new. This one looks like a smaller carrier Gemini. This one's still here. And now, let's go back here.
Point the camera out when you're walking, bud.
Some units out there, but I'm going to take a look of them. And I can hear them run. One of them must be very loud. I don't want to fall down there. If I fall down there, I'll die.
Careful. Watch the step.
I'll sell them these guys. And there's some new carrier converts back there. There's a some old train XC1000s. And there's two carriers in New York, Old York. Oh, what's wrong with carriers? They're all two blades. And look, one of them seems quiet.
Someone does.
Yeah. This one isn't running. This larger one? Yeah, it's running. Yeah, it's running. This one's running. Or I don't think this one's running. So let's go over here. Oh wait, let's go right here first. And then go over there.
That's right, bud. Tell them what you're looking at.
York's noisy. Two carriers. Old York is running. And it's shaking. Piece of junk. Here's my dad right there.
Hey, buddy.
That York needs to be replaced. Oh look, here's some units down here. Oh, one of the old Bryans are running, and wait, about two Bryans are running. American Standard. Bryant not running. There's one down there. And let's go to these noisy gunmen's. You hear that? Oh, there's a... Oh wow. That one's not running. What that's the noisy one. Huge chunk. Only one is running. Use that noisier one. Okay. And now there's a few more over here. Oh look, there's a sink.
I got a sink, bud.
Okay.
Where's that?
Here's a snake. There's a sink right here. Oh look, here's some two carrier chillers. They both replaced in one coin tower. And right there's some Bryants. They're not running. Well, I wish I'll get the Bryant running. Oh yeah, this is part one. Over and out.